If you're new to radio advertising, this video is the right place to start. Radio works differently than a lot of other marketing channels you may be more familiar with. Radio is not about chasing clicks or quick wins. It's about building familiarity and trust with people in your community. Listeners spend hours a week with their favorite stations and personalities. Over time, that voice becomes familiar, trusted, like a friend. And when your business shows up consistently in that environment, it benefits from that same trust. That's why radio can be especially powerful for local businesses. In fact, radio is trusted nearly 3 times more than social media. 83% of listeners trust the opinions of their favorite on-air personalities. 77% of listeners would try a brand recommended on air. 81% consider DJs a friend or family member. Radio is also powerful because it reaches people during real moments of daily life. Running errands, in the car, and at work. And it helps your brand stay top of mind through it all. For many small businesses, radio advertising has been out of reach, overwhelming, or too complicated. Radio Ads Direct changes that by giving you a simple, self-service way to create and book radio ads right from your computer without needing to talk to a salesperson. We've put together a video learning library to teach you what you need to get started.